Today I have 2 Wrestle crates to open. This is 5 months worth. So let's get into it. First, we got t-shirts. I've already seen these. I already know what's inside, but I want to do a break for you guys. And I'm standing you, of course, on all the other stuff for the Wrestle crate. 38 minutes to do all of this. Alright, so here we go. So the first one. Alright, so you can see it right there. Let's open it up. Oh, and I am wearing a t-shirt that came with it. It is the Undertaker 25 years t-shirt. So, there you go. That's the t-shirt that just came with it. Like I said, I've already seen what's inside. The tape's all off. Alright, so that's not a shirt that came with it. I just stuck my shirt in there. Alright, so of course the 4 shirts that came with it were the Undertaker 25 years t-shirt. A red old school wrestling t-shirt. Red old school wrestling t-shirt. Okay. Alright. Okay. Next is, of course, the Darth Vader heel t-shirt. Nice little Darth Vader heel t-shirt there. Pretty cool t-shirt. I've seen a lot of unboxings of the Wrestle crate themselves. Okay, next. Oh, sorry guys. Let's open more, like seriously. Jeez. Alright, and I will be releasing a new video schedule on Tuesday. I also got an authentic Splix Apparel 2004 brand name. Pretty slick t-shirt there. Alright. So that's all the t-shirts that I got. Of course, I'm wearing the Undertaker 25 year. As you can see, nothing else in the Wrestle crate. Alright. So that's the t-shirt portion. Alright, next up, let me just switch boxes here. We have the toys side of things. Alright, here we go. Next, of course, is this other Wrestle crate. Well, okay, so first we got this Nikki Bella pop toy. So here it is, Fearless Nikki. You can see. Yeah, hair, pretty solid exposure of the figure. You can see Fearless on the top there. Got the little nice baby hair. The hands, knees, everything. Turn the head, spread it all around. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. It's Nikki Bella Pop Vinyl Total Divas. I think this is when she became the longest reigning Divas Champion apparel, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So that's the first thing. Next is a Andre the Giant. The other thing you can get in the set is the Nature Boy Ric Flair, Roddy Piper, Sting, and the Ultimate Warrior. And in Nikki Bella's, of course, you can get the Brie Bella. So this is, you can see Andre the Giant. See nice little sideburns along the side there. Yeah, pretty cool. Andre the Giant. Alright, next thing is this Eat, Sleep, Super Kick, Party, Repeat. drink holder. And I have a demonstration for you guys. So this is Dr. Pepper Cherry. So all you do, of course, got the Eat Sleep Super Kick Party Repeat. Slide whatever drink you're drinking right in the holder itself, and then there you go. You got your Eat Sleep Super Kick Party Repeat mug holder thing. Next is this Calling Spots, the Professional Wrestling Fans Magazine, issue 18, Wrestle Crate exclusive cover. So you can got the Ring of Honor championship belts there. You can see you got Finn Balor. For some reason it looks like a Joker. That's Finn Balor doing the coup de grace. Yeah, that should be the coup de grace. I don't know if he wrestled in Tokyo before. Is that Finn Balor? You got the Beast in the East pay-per-view Ring of Honor thing there. You got Survivor Series 96, WWF. Want more pictures in black and white. You got more pictures. But the Hitman Heart. T-shirts. Quebec New Day. New Day. Psycho Sid. There you go. And then you have the Calling Spots cover, and then you can pause to look at the back if you want. Alright. I only got 7 minutes. Good. Alright, next we've got a magazine. It is a WWE Superstars by 3-time WWE champion and New York Times bestseller author Mick Foley. Alright. You can see the front there. You can just a lot of pictures, everything. You can see Triple H, Randy Orton, all that jazz. Next up, we have another mug holder, cup holder. So you just take your Eat Sleep Super Kick. Oops! I didn't know this was full. Why didn't I use my non-full one? Alright. Oh gosh. Technical difficulties. Oh no. Alright, we are back from our technical difficulties. Sorry about that. Huge mistake. I'm not going to use this one, I learned. So you take your Eat Sleep Super Kick Party Repeat one off, and then you put on your Chuck Taylor, Jock Samson, Old Wrestling. So you just put it in, of course. This is full. Alright, so there you go. Let's open this up. Boom. See, it's opened. Alright. Okay. Let's put our Eat Sleep Super Kick Party Repeat one on. The one that I had technical difficulties with. Sorry about that huge technical difficulty there. Of me spilling my freaking Coke or pop. Alright, so there you go. Alright, next we've got, let's go with this one. We've got a table. Alright, looks like this is the Wrestle Crate table. Oh. Alright, there you go. You got your table. Table, 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 table. Dudley boys. Sorry, guys. Another set of technical difficulties here in this episode of my little YouTube channel. Alright, there we go. No! More technical difficulties. This is actually so freaking hard. Alright. This is just hanging. Alright. No! More technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. I'm really sorry about this episode, guys, here. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright. 1, 2. Alright. So I'm gonna grab a little wrestling figures. Let's see. Alright. Let's see. We've got we got Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. And little me, and I don't know that. And Batista. Alright, here we go. Rock for Why does this happen every single time? Great! Alright guys, we are back from this huge Jake Rage video. Alright, here comes The Rock. He's on the table. Here comes Batista. Batista built up. Oh, he put him right down that solid steel table. He even broke the legs. No, Batista. You cannot do this again. No way, JR. No way he's going to do this. No way, JR. JR. He's going to do it. Can you believe this, my mama? I hear no rain on the rooftop. Tell you that right now, JR. Oh my God! Batista has set the table trying to get Rock. But no! Here comes Rock! Here comes Rock! Rock bottom! Rock bottom! Alright guys, so that is the table. There's a little table. There I go. Oh my gosh, Jake Rage is happening so freaking fast right now. The Jake Rage is real. Okay, I hear no rain on the rooftop. Okay, sorry guys. Oh my gosh, the Jake Rage has been real today. Next, we have a belt. Now hopefully this freaking Jake Rage does not happen again. But you know, Jake Rage always happens. Alright, so we got the belt. Take this out here. We've got, looks like a Brahma bowl. But it's going to go around Batista. So let's just, it's, first of all, as big as this friggin' chest. Alright. Alright, oh, sorry guys. Jeez. Yeesh. Alright, here you go. There's Batista. Alright. There you go. There's the Batista. Next up, let me just take this off. Next we have, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's a decal sort of thing. Sticker. Decal sticker, same thing. As you can see, it's a sticker. Pretty cool. Pretty cool there. If you want to see the name, it is right there. If this turns out to be a 30-minute video, I will cut it because I think I might leave in the Jake Rage. But I'm going to cut everything. I want to cut all this trash out here. I might leave in the Jake Rage, as you guys saw me just do in a couple clips there. But so yeah, let's place this belt back in here. Alright, next we have this Matthew Cross, oldwrestling.com decal sticker thing. Next up, we have, there we go. Alright, so the first thing we have is a Roddy Piper sticker decal thing. Oh, it's a that's a sticker. Oh, that is just hot. You can see there has hot rod. I'm gonna stick this right on my wall. Right there, hot rod. Alright, next we have next we have a Finn Balor calling spots exclusive limited edition Wrestle crate. Next up we have Rock with the rock bottom! Oh my god! He hit him with the rock bottom! Ah! Yeah, still in rock! Nobody likes your face. Next up we have a Stone Cold Steve Austin. Yeah! Stone Cold Steve Austin says, get your beer, shut your you're wrong. I know that's what Rock says, but no. Steve Austin, Colin Spots, exclusive limited edition. Like the Finn Balor. And you go, Janitor Owens, Janitor. Janitor Owens, Janitor. This is a limited edition version of Wrestle exclusive. This is a Wrestle exclusive Colin Spots. Fight Owens, fight Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens. Alright, next we have, of course, the Kurt Angle autograph. The Kurt Angle autograph. We're the Young Bucks. Young Bucks. Dual gold. That's bronze! What are you guys talking about? Gold! That's rose gold! Rose gold and bronze autographs of the Young Bucks. What are these guys' names here? Nick and Matt Jackson. Young Bucks. You got Rhino. Rhino. What? And we got this Abyss from TNA autograph. Hey, my name is Abyss. We got a lot of Jake Rage this video, guys. Which reminds me, I might not even freaking cut this video because, you know, freaking Jake Rage happens all the gosh dang time. Actually, not all the gosh dang time when I make videos. Only sometimes. I don't think you've ever seen the Jake Rage that I do sometimes when I'm not making videos. Oh yeah, I do some plenty of Jake Rage. Ah! What the? You can see the all exclusive limited edition Colleen Spots cards. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this opening of the big 2 Wrestle Crate 5-month exclusive. Video. What the? What the heck? What? There we go. Okay. That's good. Beautiful. Okay. Why the? Alright, Alright, so, of course, the magazine, Calling Spots. It's mint. It's bleeping mint. Brother! Oh wait, I need to give a shout out here. Guys, can you go please check out Mr. Vinny Deals? Could you guys please check out Mr. Vinny Deals? Oh. There's someone else I need to shout out in here too. Let's see. Who is it? Directions. Okay. Of course, the belt, the Matthew Cross, centipede guy, table, the 2 pop toys. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Alright. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to ring down below. Remember, what a video! What a video! I can't believe I raged. Oh my god, I got so mad. Woohoo! 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 Hey, Roddy, 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 Roddy. I need to watch a Leafs game. Okay, okay. Keep calm. What? I didn't end the video. Alright. Well, let me go actually end it for you guys here. Peace out, guys.